If you would like to accept donations on your Squarespace website, it is so easy to do so. I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that in this video. As you can see, I have just 2 steps to make it happen here. First, you got to connect your payment platform or platforms, and then add the donation button and customize it. So I have another video all about how to accept payments on Squarespace, but since things move around and change a lot lately, I am going to show you really quickly where to go to do that. So over here on the left, I am on the main sidebar view. I'm going to come down here on the bottom to settings, and then in the left to selling, and then payments. And this is where you can add payments. You can see I already have Stripe and PayPal connected up on my site. Stripe is how you can accept credit cards. People will be checking out on your website. They will have no idea that they're using Stripe, but that is the payment processor. And if you connect PayPal, people can obviously, it'll take them to PayPal to pay and then push them back to your website. And if they are on their mobile, it will also activate Venmo for you. And I believe last time I checked, Stripe, if they're on their mobile, will also allow Apple Pay. And you can see down here, Square is an option. This is only for people taking payments in person. So if you have a physical location, you can connect Square to your Squarespace site and can collect money through your Square that way. But if you're doing online, stick to Stripe and PayPal. So let's see, just a couple basic settings down here. Once you have connected the way for people to pay you or to make donations, you are good to go on that end. I'm going to click X here, and I'm going to show you just on this basic page that I have here how to set up the donation feature. So I'm going to, any page you want, I just come into the edit mode, and I'm going to add a block, and I'm going to search for donation. Click that. You see it pops us up a button that says donate. I'm going to click this pencil icon here. You see it gives us a couple customization options. So I'm going to come into donation amounts. You can add however many amounts that you would like to add that are just defaults. You can give them a title if you would like. You can reorder them, you can delete them, you can add another one, however you want to do that. I go back. You can change what the button actually says, just like that. A title here, this is going to give your donation form a title, like when they're picking their amount, what's the title of your form? And description, again, this is for them to see when they're making the donation, a title, a description. You've got the amounts and form fields. If you want to collect more information from people who are making a donation, you can do that here, like their name, their email, or their whatever you might want. And you can edit your donation receipt here. This is going to pop you out to another window. And design, this is just for the button alignment. Most likely would want it centered. And that is all you have to do to accept donations on your website. It's not a product, it's just this button that you get to customize and put wherever you want on your website. If you want to put it on multiple pages, you will have to customize that button every time. Or a little hack and workaround for that would be to put it on one page, and then what you can do is hit this heart button right here and save the section, and then whenever you are on a new page and you want to add the same donation button, you'll go to add section here and then go to saved sections, and you can select your donation button option there. I would go through and just make sure that it duplicated everything over the way you needed to, but that's how I would go about that. You could also put it in the footer of your website, so then it's on every page and you don't have to duplicate it. It's just a donation option that lives on every page in the footer. So that, I think I covered everything. That is how you accept donations on Squarespace. Make sure you connect ways for people to pay and make that donation first, then add a donation button on your site wherever you would like people to be able to make donations. Hope this is helpful. If you have any donation, payment, whatever kind of questions for me, drop those in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next tutorial.